Hello, welcome to our channel, To the Magic and Beyond. I'm Rhonda.
I'm Kirsten.
And today we have a little something different for you. Want to tell them what it is?
It is the Disney Doorable Village Peak, which is an Amazon exclusive. It's $36.99 and it has 24 figurines in it from series 4, 5, or 6.
Lots of surprises.
Yes. We've recently started collecting these.
As I've explained in some of our unboxing bag videos, I like to take and make these as keychains and put them as zipper pulls on the bag. So I don't think I actually have any down here right now, but I know I've showed it on one of the other videos. So these work really cute to make keychains out of and then put on your bags as zipper pulls. So it's just a little nice something to add to the
Someone
bag.
made earrings out of them.
Yeah, people made earrings out of them.
That they're getting duplicates?
Zipper pulls for kids so that they can get a hold of their small zippers. We've been dying to open these. Like, they've been in the house for a couple days, and we've been resisting the temptation to actually. So you open it. Ta-da! How fun is that? Let's just get rid of this box. We don't need that.
Oh, the collector's guide's in there. To show what figurines could be.
Okay.
Could be in here. So there's 5 little sets in here. And then you've got like a little scene here on the back.
Yeah.
Now, we haven't gotten any Series 6 yet because they haven't gotten into Ohio yet. But the little scene on the back's adorable.
So many options. So many options. We'll leave this here.
So cute.
We know.
Oh, they're not all the Series 4 ones.
We know most of these guys. But
Yeah. We know which
thing I love
ones we
about these
want.
is there's a lot of sidekicks in them.
I know.
Let's get started.
All right. You
All
want
right.
to start on your side and I'll start over here?
Sure.
All right.
All right. So with these, you just kind of, they have a little perforated. You just kind of push it in, open it, and ta-da! All right.
I miss the multi-peak doors though. I like all the little doors you
I like all the little windows and doors. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you get a little bag like this. Kind of like the mystery pins. You should get a little bag.
Yours is Series 6.
Okay.
So purple is Series 5.
It's always good when you have these to have scissors on hand. Because some of them are easy to open, some are not. So our first one is
Uh-oh.
it's the little, looks like the
Steamboat Mini.
the little Steamboat Mini, one of the originals. So cute.
There Mickey. Oh, there he is.
I don't know if we can get. Yeah. So we'll get pictures of all these afterwards to show you all the different ones that we got.
So this is pink is Series 4, purple is Series 5, and mint is Series 6.
So let's go to a different series. So I just opened a 6.
Oh,
So you said pink is 4.
4. Now 5 just started coming out in like
Need to
April.
find somewhere to throw all these little bags.
Oh, God.
Oh, it's one of the kitties.
Rufus? No. And I love the jeweled eyes. The pretty little, like their eyes are full of glitter. They're so cute. We don't have that one yet.
One of my cute little buddies here from 4.
Uh-oh.
Timon.
Ah!
Wish she was dressed in drag to do the hula. but-
Hooah. Hooah.
So there's little Timon.
Oh my God.
Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Right. Do a purple one now.
Do a Mickey.
Oh.
Look at how cute Captain Hook is.
We didn't have Hook yet.
No, this is from Series 6.
Oh, yeah, I was going to say we didn't have Hook yet.
Now we need to...
Here is Figaro. We do have him from Pinocchio.
Yes.
I actually think I have him on my Pinocchio bag. He is
Yes.
my zipper
you're
pull
cool.
on my so super cute. Super cute. And let us know in the comments below if anybody collects these and what you've done with them, because I've seen so many things. Like I said, earrings, zipper pulls, keychains.
Someone made like a charm bracelet with them.
Yeah, that'd be a little heavy, but
Yeah.
oh yes, bow.
We got Bo. Oh, wait. There it is.
Bow. This one is cute. So cute. Daddy, I like this one. So we have Goofy.
Oh,
So cute. I love the eyes. Super duper cute. Alright. Go ahead.
We got fuzzy Tigger. So some of them are like fuzzy feeling, like you can kind of see in the camera, and they're jeweled eyes. So
I know what bag this is going on.
Uh-oh.
Alice.
Oh, God.
The Alice. This cute little. So I have
love
an
the
Alice in
hair.
Wonderland bag. She's gonna have to. I know. Look at that hair.
Oh, I know.
No, it's upstairs on the shelf in the bedroom. But yeah. So she's gonna go as a zipper pull.
Feel Tigger.
Oh, he's so cute. You don't have just a Tigger bag yet.
No. I
don't
think
have-
there's one out. There's like a cosplay
There's
one.
there's a cosplay one which just re-released, I believe.
Yes.
I can't remember who just released it, but it was a re-release of this.
So that Steamboat Minnie Mouse one is a limited edition one.
So cute. Okay, on to the next one. Another one.
You door.
Keep them coming. All right. Ready? Here we go. So this is a 5.
Oh, Thumper. It's like Tigger. It's fuzzy.
So cute. So we're getting a whole little forest here of.
There's Raja from Aladdin. That was a series 4, I think I opened. Yeah. Which is a rare. So on it, they have this little color code down in the bottom, and it'll tell you if it's rare or ultra rare, and then you can kind of match it up to see what it is.
I know who's gonna want this one.
Uh-oh.
From series 4, one we did not have yet. The Beast.
Oh, I need that for my Beast Chibi.
So cute. Look at him. Look at those eyes.
Oh my god.
Oh. They appropriately named these. They are just Doorables. They're so cute. Why is Bo Peep standing on her head?
I don't know. She fell over. Gotta see this. What are you
Oh,
opening?
I still love this one. Oh, we have. Okay, so this was some series 4. We do have this one. It is Squirt from Nemo. So cute. What'd you get me? Oh, my baby Eeyore.
We were just at Burlington and we got one of those 18-inch Bigfoots for $3.99 that were like $39.99 in the park. We love Eeyore, and our little Eeyore sitting there.
Yeah, we have the smaller one that used to be on the shelf is, down here in our studio looking at us, but he's so cute.
So that's 3 of the flocked ones.
So cute. Love Eeyore.
Gosh. Oh, Eeyore's a rare one.
All right.
We're doing good.
We got another teal.
I'll get a purple.
So this one is...
Oh, oh god.
The white rabbits.
Oh my god, the eyes.
The purple eyes. His little trumpet. He's late. So he's going to hang with Alice.
Oh.
I'm going to have to put that one up. I don't know how to put that.
So we did get Sleeping Beauty. This was series, what did I open? 5. Yeah.
She was 5. We
It
had
was.
her.
We had her.
Yeah, we did have her. Okay, so we got another series 6 here. So I forgot to shuffle back and forth.
Uh-oh.
Okay. My boxes are falling out. So we have the OG Cindy.
Oh.
See a little Cinderella here. Her dress, that was kind of hard to see. I'm not getting it. You can like see through it. It's like
Oh, they're the special edition jeweled princesses.
it's very cute. So cute.
Show the little dress. Yeah. So their bottoms of the dresses look like jewels. Alright, I'll put one down somewhere.
I want some of the dwarfs. I want the dwarfs and Mad Hatter and Cheshire and
Uh-oh.
I want them all. What do we get?
We got
Pua! I'll have to go up there with Moana. I have a Pua sitting on my desk.
I know. I think
In
we
the
actually
office.
made the keychain
Yes.
of it.
No. He's not a keychain.
Not
he
yet?
might be. He might be
Okay.
on another bag. But yeah, I just got the Moana bag from Hot Topic. We'll have to put him on as a key and a zipper pull. I think if we open that, one of our videos, I think that just went up. There's an opening of the Hot Topic Hey Hey and Pua. It's actually coming in here. There we go. So that'd be really cute as a zipper pull in that bag. But I actually have one of them sitting on my desk upstairs in the office. He's just kind of chilling out because I have a lot of little sidekicks on my desk. Little.
We have another Series 6.
Series 6? Series 6s? Ooh.
Her hair is really big.
You know who's going to want that one.
I love the hair.
Michaela's going to want that one. She loves Ariel.
Yes.
She can put it on her keychain for her car.
Yeah.
Because her car's name is Ariel.
All
right.
Got Snow White yet.
So we have another purple here, which is a Series 5.
Oh.
This is, yes.
She's a rare.
Right. So, Anastasia from Cinderella, one of the stepsisters. So she'll hang down here with Cindy. And we'll make sure we get pictures of all these afterwards to show you all the different ones close-ups so you can see the pictures. So be sure to check out our Instagram page, To The Magic and Beyond. We'll have pictures of them on there for you to check out. What we get? Oh! We got Grumpy! Oh no! You dropped Grumpy!
Poor Grumpy!
You dropped Grumpy! No! Now he's really grumpy.
I know.
You threw him on the floor. Poor Grumpy.
But look at him.
Poor Grumpy. Poor Grumpy. Oh.
Series 5?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Was this 5? 5. Michaela's me so excited.
Uh-oh.
Like, if I texted it to her right now, we would hear her scream from work. She's at work right now. She's going to be so excited. She says, we got Maximus. She has been waiting for Maximus. Every box we open, she gets mad. Because we've not got Maximus yet. And she gets so mad when we finish opening boxes and we don't have him yet. But there he is. She's going to take him.
Oh, yeah.
She's totally going to take him. I don't know if she's got a bag to put him on yet. Oh, yeah, she does. You guys have that purple Rapunzel bag you got from Box Lunch. Yeah. So she'll probably put him on there. Or she'll just put it in her, But... Okay.
Ready?
Hammy!
Got a little hammy. And look at the eyes. The eyes are huge.
Little Hammy. Alright. This is my last one. Our last one.
Yes.
It is a Series 6. Anybody want to guess? Anybody?
Please be
Anybody?
TikTok.
Anybody? No?
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 Oh! Let's see. I haven't watched that movie yet. Dime?
He's just
From Raya?
cute.
Oh my goodness. I have to watch it to see what those little guys.
Yeah, we have not got a chance to watch it yet, but I recognize the character from all the previews, but very cute. So
Trying to see how many
there
we got
we
from
go. So like I said, we will sort these into Series 4, 5, and 6. We'll get you pictures of all of them. We'll get them posted up on our Instagram page, To The Magic and Beyond, so that you can see all of the different characters, what these are. And like I said, you can buy these on Amazon. You can get them at Walmart's, Targets, a lot of your stores. They carry them in the toy aisles.
But you can only get the Village Peak.
Yes.
On Amazon.
On Amazon. This is Amazon exclusive, so they do keep selling out.
Yes.
But so cute little. I'm super excited with some of ours.
I know. I wish we got the Mickey.
We got the little Walt, Minnie Mouse.
We've got a lot from...
we got a lot of new ones on this. Yeah.
Yes.
We do have some duplicates, but we got a lot of new ones. I think there's only like maybe, 4 duplicates?
One?
So Figaro, Hammy, Squirt.
Yeah, looks like 3 or 4.
Yeah. Oh, we got Hammy.
Yeah, so 4.
Yeah. So we got 4 duplicates out of all these. So 4 out of 24 is not bad. We got some cute new ones.
The little
Very excited to see some of these as zipper pulls on the bags. We'll get some pictures of those here soon to show you how we do those. You can buy some little keychains online and just make yourself some little keychains for them. They're very cute for zipper bag pulls, keychains, But we want to hear if you collect them, what you've done with them. So let us know in the comments below. Which one's your favorite?
I don't know.
I have several favorites.
I have several. I like the...
I love the Beast.
I like the Beast and Minnie.
Beast is super cute.
I just got
But Grumpy.
Oh, I know.
Grumpy. My dad is going to want Grumpy.
Oh, yeah.
He loves Grumpy.
So that wasn't bad for $36.99, and it came the next day.
Yeah. Very cute. Captain Hook is adorable, too. Very cute.
Yes.
I love his face. He just has so much character. Very cute. But all right. So let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite. We'll get some pictures of these up on our Instagram page soon. We'll get some keychains made and get them on some of our bags as zipper pulls. And if you get out to some stores and get some, let us know what you found.
Yes.
Until next time, I think that's all. So,
Yep.
bye.